Hello, friends. Welcome to my positive space of hair, all things hair, hairstyles, hair growth, hair products. And I'm excited that you're here. Welcome. And honestly, this is a journey that I want to go on with you guys. But look at this mess. Look at my hair right now. Honestly, I have to deal with this every time I wash my hair. And I want you guys to come into this positive space because I'm looking forward to taking you on this journey to see, what happened to this hair and what did I do to probably revive my hair. If you're going through this same, issue like me, I want you to really stay tuned because I have amazing videos aligned for you guys. So subscribe, grow with me because this community is about to grow because we are all about natural hair.